Hello friends, welcome to C programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn about event and counter controlled loops. So based on our previous classes, you all are know about loop. What is a loop? You are going to execute some statements. So these are the statements you are going to execute repeatedly is known as loop. So what is control loops? Control loop is nothing but in this place you are going to write one condition. So write one condition. If this condition is true, you are going to execute these statements. If the condition is false, you are going to terminate this loop. Okay, now event and counter control loops. What it means here, this condition may be event and this may be counter. That means this condition is based on some event or this condition is based on some counter. So what is the event here? An event changes the control expression from true to false. So for example, you want to read the data from the file. For example, this is the data. So CRR college. Here you are going to read the data. See, the condition is true. Here R. So condition is true. Here R. So the condition is true. Here space. So condition is true. When you reach end of the file, so automatically the condition becomes false. So this we are called as a event. And coming to counter. So when we know the number of times an action to be repeated, we use a counter control loop. That means, for example, I want to execute these statements 5 times. 5 times. Then I am going to take one counter and initially the counter value equals to 1 and the condition is it is less than or equals to 5. You are going to execute these statements and update the counter plus plus. Now initially the counter value is 1. You are going to execute these statements. So one time is over. Second time the counter is updated, it becomes 2. Second time is executed. Similarly, third time, fourth time and fifth time the counter value becomes 6. 6 less than 5, false. We terminate the loop. So this we are called as a counter control loops. If this condition is based on the event, that we are called as a event control loops. I hope you all are understand. So event and counter control loops.